Hi everyone. So here's an example of doing 377A, and I would make sure if you are watching this example, if you and your team need this help, that you are pausing the video and going and doing it step by step so you get in that habit. Okay. So I'm being asked to solve this equation. I'm remembering that means I want to know what value of the variable, in this case it's y, makes this equation true. And that means that my goal, and I might write this way down here, just to remind myself, my goal is y equals something. I don't know what it is yet, but that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to use the sketch up here to show my work. I'm just going to start with this. And we're looking at this now because now you know better how to deal with this. You could use a rectangle, the distributive property, right, to just multiply this product 2 times y minus 2. And so I might go right 2 and then y minus 2, top or bottom, it doesn't matter. I'm going to get 2y minus 4, helping myself out there. So now I can write 2y minus 4 equals -6. I'm closer. So now I'm thinking about my legal moves. What do I want to do here? How those relate? And I'm remembering I want y all by itself. And the next thing that I'm thinking I might want to deal with is this subtracting 4. So I'm going to keep things balanced. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I might actually write that with add 4. I'll play with those ones a little bit to do this. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I'll end up with 2y, and then -4 plus 4 is 0. So if I want to be really obvious, I'm going to write that -6 plus 4 is -2. It's super obvious. I got 0. Remember that adding 0 is it's like any 0 pair. Now I can take it away. Now I'm remembering to say to myself, okay, so what is 2y? What does 2y mean? It means 2 times y. I'm multiplying. How do I undo that? I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So I might write here, divide by 2. And again, I'm kind of making Desmos do what I want here. I'm going to try to show that I'm trying to divide by 2. It's not perfect, but so 2y divided by 2. Right? If I'm thinking about 2y tiles, and I literally want to split that into 2 groups, how many are in each group? It's just 1y. It's just 1y. So we've got y on this side, and -2 split into 2 equal groups, right? Got 2 negative tiles. Each group is going to have 1 negative tile. So then I go over here, I try this out. And that's a pretty good sign when it says submit. So then you're going to want to think about running through the check. We're going to want to put -1 back into the equation and find out what happens.